This is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Thank you for joining. So yeah, I'm thinking now, what if Insta360 Ace Pro 3 comes out? Will the front screen be a real feed screen than just fonts giving names? Because I'm like hesitant now, if they don't do it, to get one. I'm still picking daisies. Should I get an Action 6? Should I not? Should I get an Ace Pro 3? Should I not? Should I get a Pocket 4? That's coming out pretty soon. If the Pocket 4 doesn't go wirelessly continuously around and around and around, there's no need for me to get one. My eyes are always on an extra, a muse. Oh man, I heard muse is a Greek word, and I just can't remember what it was. I'm gonna have to go look up what MUSC stands for. The word muse definition.
Which word? M-O-O-S-E or M-O-U-S-S-E?
M-U-S-E.
Sorry, something's wrong. Please try again.
I guess muse doesn't mean anything. The word muse creates inspiration by a person, and that's what muse means. I mean, Siri, come on, it's right there to read. And then the Edge or Edge Pro, common sense, the leading edge. So, you got something that, what do I really want to get, Fish? What do I really want to get? So I'm shooting with the DJI Mic 2 behind the clothing, and I think I'm not going any further with the mic system. So the DJI Mic Mini cut out the 3.5 millimeter port. Sounds like they did something like GoPro did and other companies. So what did DJI cut out in the Action 6? I don't know. I think the magnet in the camera to attach strongly to the clip, because now you can go gadget. I said that before. You can go both ways. Why would you want to go both ways when you feel it on there? I know people try to force it the opposite way and they got confused. So DJI cut it out. I miss in the Insta360 RS model 2:35 aspect ratio. I may have a number wrong, but black top and bottom box letter video. And that's something that's very interesting that we don't see in the new Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Even in the Action 6, they just went to the tall sensor or square sensor. And now GoPro's got 5.7K, and here we don't have anything of higher than 4K with DJI. It's almost like they are a budget camera. Are they not budget? When we say budget, it doesn't mean inexpensive. It's cheap, garbage, economy. Well, budget is the word I use for the device, the company. They offer for a great deal. You get 48 gig, 50 gig, which is 64 gig, because all the others dedicated to the camera, firmware that is. Well, if you know I'm talking a little slow, I am doing a little different things today with the editor, Wondershare Filmora 15, where I can go to silence detection wherever I do not say a word, it cuts out. So I could kind of say, Fish, it's a budget camera for sure. No, it's not. It's not budget at all, Fish. Fish, it's a budget camera for sure. No, it's not. It's not budget at all, Fish. I could talk back and forth to myself, one another, and make scenes with silence detect, almost like putting a line over here and cloning. Only and only if I remember to do in the little screen window, the import screen, right click, hit silence detection, or Control plus alternate plus M, I believe is the hotkey. Never rush into a good thing, and that goes for just about anything imaginable. So I am taking my time thinking what to do, what my next move is. And yeah, maybe one day I'll be with an Action 6. And the thing is, it won't be my funds. It won't be DJI funds. It'd be the world fund. And I thank you for that. And I'll share real life shots. I'll probably just do a shot like this. A shot like that. A forward pan looking across a table, a picnic table that is. Because everybody out there will be done it all and everything will be already out. Don't have to worry about the camera. We try to get the best shots possible and show the camera, but there are already people out there overseas. Hong Kong was the first for the week, and then still overseas, different countries came second. And of course, we're still waiting for over here in the Nam region for the cameras to start to come out. Well, we had a busy end of the quarter just about, and all the goodies for everyone to get, depending on what you were looking for. If it's a Insta product or DJI product, GoPro product, or any other product, I hope you got what you wished for. Still smell gas, man. That gas has been leaking for years. Oh man, I should come here, pack it up, and have some good cooking gas. Good heating gas, that is. I'm gonna be treating myself to a gift. And yeah, as soon as it's available for tomorrow, most likely. And yeah, Wondershare Filmora 15 I'm using, but I expired my annual subscription at $55.49, something like that. And it comes out to being today, before it expires, $50.99, making it almost $64, which I think what I am paying. So I really got maybe $1 or $2 off. I don't plan on getting the annual again, but I'm planning on getting just the perpetual. I don't really think I want to spend 1,500 tokens on just something that could revolve the head dancing that doesn't give what I want in AI. I could do it on some other thing and get it done the way I want. All dressed up. Looks like they're going to be doing brickwork, refacing. Is there a set date on the penny? Because they stopped making it. Once you hand in your pennies to the store, oh, sorry, Fish, we don't take pennies anymore. We only do nickels. We're at $20.25. You could give us 4 nickels, 1 dime, 2 nickels, but you can't give us Any pennies? Well, that's what we come today. Like a camera, you may not like what you get on the next one, and eventually down the road, the camera be no more. Then what would you do? Just use what you got. Well, I am Fish, and I'll see you on the next talk.